Hey guys, it's Beth and welcome back to my channel. This is week 3 of the Crafty Christmas Collab that I am hosting. And again, we were to pick one Christmas pad or collection from our stash and use it to make 4 different projects for Christmas, and we were posting those each Sunday in November. And I am working on the Cozy Lodge pad. That is what all of my projects have been from. This is a Recollections pad from a few years ago. And my project this week is actually very simple. I did a simple set of note cards. I have spent pretty much the whole last week at a 5-day craft show, and so all of my energy and efforts have been getting ready for that craft show, for inventory, and then, doing the craft show. It's been a lot of long days, and so I actually just did my project this evening after we wrapped up the craft show, came home, got my project done, and wanted to get it posted on Sunday when all the videos are supposed to go up. So this is a simple project this week, but still I love them, and it was kind of nice to do work on a simple, fun project. Like I said, I did a set of note cards. These are 4 inches by 5.5, and I pulled out a sheet of this plaid paper from the pad. It's kind of got a little bit of red glitter striping in the plaid pattern, so I thought it was really pretty. And then I just took a sheet of border strips that was also in the pad and took a couple of the borders and fussy cut out some of the sentiments or kind of embellishment elements that I use to decorate the front of my card. So this one is just a little Happy Holidays banner, and I did back it on a little scrap strip that I had of some red glitter paper. This was actually This was from another paper in the pad. It had a bunch of wreaths with the Happy Holidays message in it. Fussy cut it out. And then on most of these other ones, I took another little border strip from that same border strip sheet, and it's got a little bit of white and red glitter detail on it, and just added it behind my little sentiment or element here to give it some dimension and a little bit of extra glitter pop. So this one I just fussy cut out. It's like a fancy label shape, and it says Peace on Earth. This one says Merry Christmas, and it was pretty much just a plain rectangle, so to give it a little bit of extra something, I did a little scallop border punch, or a scallop corner punch around the corners there. This one, it's just a little cardinal sitting inside of a wreath. There's some red glitter elements to this one, and so I took a scrap piece of red glitter paper and punched a circle out of it to kind of add a little bit of dimension and detail behind it. And this cute little moose, I also fussy cut him out of that border strip paper and then added another little red glitter circle behind him as well. So again, that is kind of my simple project for this week, but it was kind of fun to focus on something non-craft show related and fun and simple. My brain kind of needed that. So this is my project, and don't forget to check out all of the other participants. Their YouTube channels will be listed in the description box below. Check out their channels and their projects for this week, and also we have participants on Instagram and Facebook as well. So if you search for hashtag Crafty Christmas Collab 2019 on any of those places, YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram, you should be able to it'll pull up the participants across all those channels that you can see their projects. There have been some amazing projects so far. I have loved seeing what everybody's been working on, and I've gotten some great ideas, kind of have a list going of some of the projects that I'd like to try that I have seen people make. So I'm having so much fun with this, and I hope everyone else is as well. So please be sure to check out all the other projects. But thank you guys for your time today, and I hope you're having a crafty week.